Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing the Juvia's Place the Shade Stick Multi-Purpose Foundation Stick. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. So this is, like I said, the Juvia's Place Shade Stick Multi-Purpose Foundation Stick. I got mine in the shade Lima. It looks like this. And then, ew, look, that looks so gross. I don't even know how to explain what it is. It just looks very dry. Very, very dry. Is this expired? Okay, well, I'm already worried. So, let me just read about it from Ulta's website. It looks like there's 30 shades. It is $16. It's supposed to be full coverage natural. It's supposed to be creamy and long lasting. Just touching that, it felt really dry. It's formulated to feel like skin, weightless multi-purpose formula that glides on seamlessly to cover imperfections while giving full definition to the face. It's infused with shea butter and oil controlling ingredients to aid in a long wear time while providing radiance to the skin. How much does this come with? So it says it's got a shelf life of 24 months. So I would hope it's not expired. Comes with 0.34 ounces, which is kind of small. So let's just go ahead and try applying this. Oh, let me roll it up. This is how much you get, which is kind of small. Okay. Oh, shoot. I wanted to put a primer on. I'm going to wear this. This is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty. It's just a hydrating, oh, I lied. That's what the back says. This is just the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Is it noon? They're interrupting my video. Is this only a Midwest thing? Like, I know ours are specifically for tornadoes, but I feel like other states probably have it for different things. Okay, I'm tired of waiting. So while that goes off, I'm just gonna start putting this on, and then I'll put music over it or something so you don't have to hear that. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty foundation brush. That's all it's called, Foundation 115. So I'm gonna use that to blend this out. I did wanna know, as I was putting the foundation on my face, it is a lot more creamy now. And actually, you can see from the top that it's more creamy. So I don't know what the coating is, but yeah. So this is what one layer looks like, and you saw how much I put on my face, so definitely isn't full coverage right away, at least for my uneven skin tone. So I'm gonna apply some more in the spots that I really still see a lot of my redness peeking through, and then I'm gonna let it sit there for a little bit, something in the air, just so that way I can kind of let it heat up with my skin and hopefully get it a little bit more opaque. Tip. Oh, I should have showed you what my nose looked like beforehand so you could see the dry skin before I even applied foundation. Oh, just know I had dry skin. Okay, so this is what the second layer looks like. Personally, I can still see all my red spots, but I've been told multiple times that that's just in my head, so you can be the judge of that. But I personally still think I can see through, so I definitely don't think it's full coverage, but it's very, very, very close to full coverage. On my forehead, it does look pretty much full coverage, and my forehead is the one spot that I really don't have discoloration. So if you don't have bad discoloration, then this definitely is very good for being full coverage for you. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I will come back and show you what it looks like with the full face done and powder and everything. Okay, so I now have the rest of my face on. If you want to know what I used, the eyes are pretty much the Soft Glam for the dark colors or the brown colors. And then I used the NYX Ultimate Shadow. Ultimate. It's the Brights palette, I guess, for the yellow. and then the lips are Jeffree Star and Mannequin. So let me go ahead and, oh, there's the hair. Let me go ahead and zoom you in so you can see what it looks like close up. So this is what it looks like close up. Honestly, it's looking pretty bad. Like, it looks like my pores are clogged right here. And then it's just looking really dry everywhere else. So, that is what it looks like now. Let me back you up. Oh, okay. So, it is now 1 o'clock. Wow, that took me this long. Okay, so it is now 1 o'clock. Can we focus for proof? I need proof. It's 1 o'clock. By the time that I put this on, it was noon. So this took a long time. Whoops. But anyway, so I'm gonna go throughout the rest of my day and then I will show you at the end of the day what this looks like. Okay, so it is now 7 o'clock. So I've had this on for about 7 hours and this is what it looks like. So it's come off on, oh, there, that's better lighting. It's come off on my nose somewhat, but then it's also hugged all of the dry patches. It's also come off on my chin. So honestly, besides the places that I touch constantly, like the chin and the nose, it looks the same as it did this morning. Honestly, I can't complain. All right, here's my thoughts. Would I buy it again? No. Am I gonna use it because I have it and I don't think it's actually that bad? Yes. So I guess take that as you will. If you have normal skin, I think this would work fine for you. If you have oily skin, I have no idea. Sorry, I don't know oily skin. Really dry here. But for dry skin, unless you're gonna really exfoliate daily, probably not the best option. So yeah, that is all I have for this video. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.